uuwi na kami. Dahil makulit sa Billy, at may picture na kami, uuwi na kami. Pupunta kami ngayon sa Dubai Marina. Oh, who's that? Carefully. So, pumunta kami sa kabilang building kasi nandun yung parking namin. Kami sa, wow, UAE National Day. Ito na kami sa parking. Be careful. Ayun si Santi.
Hi, Santi. I thought we're not gonna take the car.
Bagong linis na naman siya ni my friend. Hi! Nandito na kami sa car. Pero bago kami pumunta sa hotel sa may Dubai Marina, dadaan muna kami ng office. So, and then 12:08.
12:07, okay.
Billy, look for the room. 12:08, 12:04. Oh, here, in the corner. Opo. Ma. Then open. Yes. So, this is our room. So, meron siyang bedroom. We have a king size bed here. And then, what is this? Comfort room. Malaki. At enclosed ang may pa-his and hers na chenilin. Hi! Mamaya pa. Naligo. So, what are these? My phone. Then, may plancha. Dapat dinala natin yung mga planchahin natin dito para tipid sa kuryente. Oh, walang laman.
I like this. It's very nice.
Big bed.
Mommy, be careful.
Very nice lampshade.
My chair has to move.
Saan nakalagay ang password?
Sa card po. Oh.
Okay.
Okay. So, this is the room until tomorrow night. Etong TV to, actually, naiikot-ikot siya dyan. Look. B. Tenenenen. Para doon naman siya sa kabila. There. Facing naman siya na ganon. We're going to the balcony. So this is our view from the outside. Oh, may swimming pool yung kapitbahay. We are facing the Sheikh Zayed Road, hindi yung beach side. Pero okay lang. Ayun yung Dubai Marina. Sa kabila, mamaya pupuntahan natin yan. Yan, nandito kami sa malapit na grocery nung hotel. Hindi yan. Pharmacy yan. Bili kami ng pagkain.
And we have to come back to
May baong kaming adobo. May baong kaming adobo. So we have reached the beach. There are lots of people here.
It's so hot out today.
It's okay. See? Alin po? Wala naman. Wala naman.
Mommy, let's buy this.
Mama will treat me Starbucks.
What?
Ma, treat niya naman ako Starbucks, ma. Okay. Ayaw namin mag-swimming. Ang daming tao. Ayun, may playground doon.
I don't see the playground, Mommy.
There.
I don't see the playground. I see it, Mommy. I see.
Billy, look at her, oh. She has beach toys. She will build a sand castle.
I see the playground.
Oh, there. Good morning. So, wala nangyari. Kagigising lang namin. Good morning, Billy.
Good morning, Mommy.
Punta kami sa baba para mag-breakfast. Tingnan namin kung masarap yung pagkain. Nyam, 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 nyam. Wait lang. Daddy slept here in the sofa bed because they were drinking last night with Ninong Cup.
No, where is Nino Cup?
Good morning, Daddy! Buisit ka.
You're in the camera. Then why are you sleeping?
Come.
You should be in the camera.
Yes! Good morning, Daddy! Pukusan.
Come.
Daddy's calling you. How was your sleep
Hindi
here?
na makasleeping masyado dito.
Really? I think you enjoyed this sofa bed.
Pagising-gising na ako eh. Panisan eh.
Let's go and have some breakfast down there.
Shimmer, shine, toys. Shimmer, shine, toys.
Hindi ka na.
Ano sa ba?
Wow! It's so foggy. Happy foggy morning. Walang laman ng kalsada ng Shiksayed. Friday ngayon. Good morning, sunshine. Welcome to breakfast.
Woo, yummy.
102.
1202. Ma. Hi, nandito na kami. So, dahil sa COVID, hindi sila nagsaserve ng buffet breakfast. Ganito lang siya. Isi-serve nila sa'yo. So, meron na kaming starters. Wait lang. Ayan. Ito lang yung mga options para sa breakfast. Hindi sila naka-buffet dahil sa COVID. Hindi sila pinayagan ng municipality.
Yummy.
So, ang kay Mama, eggs your way. Sa akin ay eggs Benedict. Shab, ano sa'yo? Sa kanya ay cornflakes. Okay. Ngayon, si Daddy, gusto daw niya mag-gym. Ito-try daw niya yung gym ng hotel. So, andito kami sa second floor ng hotel. Ito yung gym. So, equip siya na water. Ayun na siya. Ano yan? Hindi siya masyadong madaming ano. Pero ang ganda ng treadmill. Ano ba to? May movie ba dito?
Another treadmill.
Ang ganda siya. Parang nainggit ako. Wala akong dalang sapatos. Sana pala nagdala ako. Yan. May kettle ball din sila. For bag. For what? Ano to? Bowling? Joke.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oo nga. Hindi mo tayo lumabas. Ay, eto na.
Di ba kayo pumunta rito kagabi?
Hindi. Oh, no.
Look at that.
Oh, it's closed naman.
Buka? Naglalaro.
Playing there. Only 3 kids.
Hindi kasi nga.
3 kids are playing
Ah,
except for the grown-ups are not playing.
napaka-peaceful
Dito
naman
kami nanggaling
dito.
Ah, dito yata.
At maraming tumatakbo, oh.
Dito kami nagyate. Makakahilo kaya yun.
Kung ikaw,
Wow, the lake.
Billy, do you want to swim?
Sure.
Oh, sure.
Okay, let's swim. But I'll make sure not to.
Ayun sila, papasok sila sa mga
I will make sure
trabaho.
not to shark to bite
Ganyan
my
yung
feet.
mga sasakyan nila para hindi na sila magko-commute.
Hi, Daddy. Yes. Wait. Wait.
It's okay, we're here. Be careful. Pag umakyat ka dyan sa bridge na yan, pag bumaba ka dun, papunta na ng beach. Jumeirah Beach. reality na, bukas may pasok na. Pero hahanap muna kami ng nakakainan sa bandang Sarjana. So thank you for watching our video. Bye!